Okay, then we connect the Ethernet cable to the computer. This is the Ethernet cable from the printer. We connect to the Ethernet port of your computer. And check the lamp. The light is on. And then we go to the software. After we install, we can see the icon named the Focus Print. We double click to open it. Then it will show the interface like this. First we go to Advanced, and we go to Advanced here and Net Setting. And here we check with TCP/IP, Ethernet 2, and the local IPs 192.168.127.9 like this, and I click Set. Then check if your computer connect with the printer. If the show icon with green, means connected. And then after we load ink to the ink damper, we go to Setting, and we go to Load Ink here, choose All Heads, and we click Load Ink. We pump the ink about 15 seconds the first time, then we stop. So first time to load ink. After that, we do the clean, do the node check. We go to print, and first we set the margin. We can put it by 20, by 30 first. Then we click Save. And then we go to print, and we go to check, to check the nozzle. We can open the cover, and we click check, and we click off the white edge. Here we put the edge by 30, and we choose print. Then the print head will start to do the node check print. Then we can see the nozzle for varnish. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 all are printed out. And this is the color K, C, M, Y all are coming out. K, C, Y, M. And the white, we can see here, the white also are coming. The white is at the front here. We can see the white lines coming out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All must be printed out. This is the white. This is the color. This is the varnish. If it's not printed out, if it have the nozzle like this, so we need to do the head cleaning again. The first time we load ink, we must do several times head cleaning, about 2 to 3 times to be sure all the nozzles print out. If we want to get a good print quality, we must make sure the nozzle cannot less than 80% nozzle coming out. We do head cleaning, and then we go to computer, and then we can open the cover. We can see more clearly. And we go to computer, we click clean, and we choose 1, 2, 3 head together. We click clean normal, and then the cap station start to clean the ink, normal ink. 3 pumps are working. Coming with ink. The vapor moving up. Then wipe the waste ink. Then wipe the second print head. Then go to home position, and the cap station moving up to for flushing a little bit. Then cap station moving down. Then go up for keep weight. So this is the procedure for head cleaning. After head cleaning, then we do not check again to be sure we have good not check print. So this procedure to not check, not load ink, not check, and head cleaning. If you have only one print head not have good not check, so we just clean this head. The cleaning here, H1 is for color, H2 is for white, H3 is for varnish. We can click the head one by one. Anyway, we must do cleaning to be sure we have good not check print before we print the picture. We must have a good not check like this. All must print out with good quality.